should be back up, but I need to share the stream and that with everyone again, for fuck's sake. Where's this link at, man? It's all be faster. Oh, someone's watching again. Come on, the boys. Right, back in the game. Yeah, we went pretty bullish. Scalped a nice little move. If you'd have got in at that 78 anyway. Fucking fuming that happened. When the Wi-Fi came back on as well, it didn't fucking... It said I was still connected and streaming, but I wasn't. Gay. Is it gonna keep dropping? Should we just stay up all night and see what we can do? Got no fucking challenge account to trade now, but could chuck a little. I may or may not have entered a cheeky little long on the main live account, but I didn't want to tell people that I did it because it was a bit of a silly one. Hee. But yeah, right, fuck all this 1 minute shit for a minute or two. Where is gold actually going? 4 hour time frame for me. We broke and closed above here. Closed above, so that for me is a bullish indication. It's failed to break above this level again and now push lower. If we close below this fucker, then we're pretty bearish. But I think there's going to be a cheeky little reversal from here. Maybe that's 78 there, just above it. 47. But I'm thinking about closing it, to be honest. It's stressing me out. I'm not trading comfortably this evening. Yeah, when he was like, are you in a trade? I was like, no, I'm not in a trade. I was in a trade, I'm a liar. But I just don't want to encourage people to follow my bad habits when I haven't got much of a logic or reasoning behind the trade. I can't just be forcing it onto everyone. After I'd already taken 4 losses on stream, you mad? Was I going to record a 5th one? At least that stream is still 40 bin. Running nice from 47 now. For fuck's sake. Should we scale in back? I still think it might drop though, because it's moving weird, isn't it? I want to do a little Elliott flip this week. Do a little fucking 5 ton to 3k. The master manipulator. Silver could be a play, you know. I think I'd wait for a little retrace here. Maybe try scalp in on a buy. If you're just pure degen trading. If you're trading your actual shit, be sensible. Don't be me. 47. Let me show you on my chart. Let me see. You can't. That's a problem, man. You can't see it. You're never going to be able to see that, are you? That's from 47. 47. My stop loss wasn't there. I didn't have a stop loss. Because I'm an idiot. But yeah, problem is the way this is pulling back. Like it's not sharp. It's just a little trickle up, and that just makes me think it's going to fall off one more time. Take this low. Where's my liquidity line? Got rid of it, man. And then we can look for buys, maybe 620. But I just don't want to keep forcing buys. Yeah, my Wi-Fi went as well. How weird's that? Or maybe it was just mine that went and you thought yours went. Or if ours both went at the same time. That's weird, you in North Wales. They were working until that last fucking 1 minute candle. What the fuck? Defo yours. Defo my what? What's defo mine, man? I'm defo gonna get a Eurus. Yeah, I agree. Totally agree with you, bro. I actually don't. I don't even like them cars. Oh, Wi-Fi. Yeah. It was defo, man. Because I live in buttfuck nowhere, man. The Comanche Indians came for me and turned the power off to the house, but luckily I got backup generators. But obviously the Wi-Fi gets quick reset. It was a quick 2-minute job. Like a damn sociopath. Raja Banks. Price action, man. Price action. It's an interesting thing. When does this close? 11 minutes. A lot could happen in these next 10 min then. I think it's going to come back up to the higher 50s in this 5-minute candle. Maybe like 56, so mid 50s. I know that's not fucking a huge move, is it? But fuck's sake, I just what's everyone saying in the chat then? Are they thinking gap fill? 1 watching. 5, man. Wow, I'm fucking popular now. None of them are me. That's what the cool part is. I'm not fake view botting watching. God, you gotta be shit at what you're doing if you're celebrating 5 viewers, haven't you? Had 9 the other day. So Wi-Fi gone again. Liverpool logo is what's cooking. Whoever that is, make me a logo. Make me an improved logo for my group. I'd appreciate that. I'll pay you, obviously. In winks. What's going down? Do I know you? Are you speaking to me like I know who you are and you logged in? Or do I not know you and you're a new guy? Either way, cool. Welcome. Feel like I know you though. I don't know why a random Liverpool logos page would follow or look at my shit. Well, if it's new, subscribe, man. Currently wanting price to push up. First timer, come on, man. Well, it's nice to be sharing people around the local-ish area. Big up. We're currently bullish on gold. We missed this trade, right? Because 5% wasn't open. Give you a little rundown on it. So I would have liked to enter from, you got the 88 here, and it also lines up with a cheeky 78 here, is it? Nah, 70, and then a 78 from there. So you got all these fib levels crossing over in the same zone. So I think we're going up, and I think we're going to come up to around about this 23 level before we could possibly come back down again. So I am going to keep my biases bullish. If I'm wrong, I'm fucking wrong. Do what you fucking want, man. I don't give a shit. Threaten me about me Wi-Fi lagging and you'll unsub. Suck my dick. Get out. I don't even want you here. Coming at me like that. Do you know what I mean? The cheek of people. If you want to stay and not be gay about it, there's no hard feelings, brother. But don't be taking none of this gay shit, trying to threaten me with not subbing. I don't give a fuck if you sub. Got a group of like 80 heads in who think I'm sick, so get your nipples out. Rage bait me all you want, I don't care. I'll rage back. It will work, you'll enjoy it. I'm a big crash out artist, you see. Like whatever you say, I'll be like, and I will cuss you and your whole family straight away. So if you want to play those games, just beware. I might say beware. Just beware in it. I will say some horrible shit. If you get me banned, I will find you. Yeah, it looks like another nice level we could come up to and maybe not fill the whole gap. But I don't just want to fully gamble buys. What did I say though about price coming down to 4,840? We actually didn't even miss that, did we? Oh no, we did. I said it would come down again. I'm a liar. I'll test you all you want. Come here now. Put your gloves on. So put the addy in the chat and I'll come punch your face in. You little mag. You got 1990 in your bio and you're watching me, do you know what I mean? 36 years old and you're watching a YouTube live stream at 5 to 12 at night. Fucking go and get your beard to scratch your back or something. Fucking keep testing you. I'll test you all I want. It's my fucking stream. Stay for the knowledge if you want, bruv. Do you know what I mean? I can teach you how to trade. I'll make you a nice bit of dough. Few people watching now, they're already in the process and making a nice bit of dough from it. But yeah, we're fucking. I'm not sitting and taking this shit and bowing to the little watchers. Obviously, I'd like a nice little community in the comments. Be a fun time. But quick elbow for anyone pushing that luck in it. That's lightning fast that as well, for how many bongs I've had this evening. very indecisive. Elliot can vouch for the making dough and that. He's my prime guy. Just do as you're told, son. Listen here, lads. I'll shave your mum's head so she looks like me, and I'll start feeding her 4 or 5 meals a day so she gets a little bit fatter, yeah, and I give her a bit of testosterone and gets a beard. And then you're just going to start seeing me as your mum, so every single time you go down to her gaff and she cooks you dinner, it's just going to be me in every aspect of your life. Your mum wants to be me. In from 46.7. Beautiful, man. That's a nice little entry. What's this SAS? Yeah, range bound shit, man. Like, we're still in from that 47 point, but yeah, I think we are going to boom. Because it's doing that steady. It is creating new highs every time. Yeah, how did you get in from 46.7? Tell us the secrets, brother. Fucking good boy. Just get away, man. Actually will. I'll start a trader fight series if that's what you want. I'll fight every trader there is as well. I'll fight a few of them at once. I'd fight Riz, that podcast lad. Knee him in the head. How can we arrange that? Fight all prop firm CEOs at once. I'll fight the whole Alpha Capital team of CEOs and gays that sit and do all them interviews. How the fuck have you got him from 46.7? He must have meant 56.7, surely. Because if you've seen, I don't know what Turtle Soup is because I'm not an ICT, waited for a minute fair value gap. There's no fair value gap here. Or is there one fucking way back? When price was back down at this level? Yeah, you're going to have to share some. This is the 1 minute time frame, bruv. Or are you proper zoomed out to find this? So you've gone back over here for a fair value gap. Nah. At 46.7? Are you messing on the 1 minute? What time frame's the gap on then? Nah, I don't even stop answering. I don't care. I don't want to learn to this fucking the new bottom. Nah, I honestly I don't want to know. I don't care. Nobody who makes trades ICT makes dough consistently. If you do, impressive. You're one of the best ICT traders on the entire planet. I'm not saying you can't make dough. I'm just saying nobody does. That's just, how is that a fair value gap? The fuck you on about? It's a body close. On the 30 min. The close is there. What the fuck are you chatting about? It just makes no sense. Even when I slide all the way across in a 1 minute. Wow, why does it take so fucking long? The fuck are you chatting? This one? That's not at 46. Yeah, I'm not flaming you, man. You could be the best ICT trader on the planet. But this fucking, you honestly smoking me head off. Yes, that is the new bottom, but I just don't see where this fair value gap is. What time frame should I be on right now then? Because I see a wick and then it goes up to the close. Then it opens there. The last red down close candle is a turtle soup. Some heck there. I mean, yeah, fair. Good entry. But, yeah, some heck of that. Fucking turtle poop. But I can't hate you. You got a good entry, innit? But yeah, that shit's fucking horrible. Fuck that. I'm way too much of a retard to trade like that. Fucking 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute because I'm on stream. I don't even trade the 1 minute. Yeah, I've finally seen it, lads. I just hate all that shit. I think ICT is the biggest gay old scammer. If you can make it work, hats off to you, brother. Do I believe it'll last for the long term? Absolutely not. But just pencil me down as a hater, man. If you make it and you start absolutely smashing it, I will be cheering you on the loudest. Don't you worry. But yeah, I've just fucking seen too many people lose too much time down these pooey 1 minute ICT strategies. But again, if you're doing it, well done. Proud of you. What's with all this soup? You got people messaging me now, brother. Beefing with you. Had any text say shut up? No, it's right. I want to do some gambling tonight. Can we gamble on stream, or is that not allowed on YouTube? Even quotes like that, man, to try and convince me to. I know you're not trying to convince me, but do you know what I mean? Trying to explain it, like, price is fractal. What? Yeah. It's not noise. It is noise, and a lot of it needs to be ignored. But again, if you make it work, hats off to you. Fucking there you go, smashing the words out. But I just fucking, I don't need that. Do you know what I mean? I make enough dough doing shit, and but well done to you. I'm impressed. If you can master the 1 minute. But my issue with it all is I6E doesn't master the 1 minute. I've worked at multiple firms where no one who trades at, like, all the people who get big payouts don't trade ICT. There's a few people who do. I get have made their own spin-offs of it. Fair dues to them. But the masses just mainly lose, and it just takes long to learn, and you got to proper study for fucking hours and years of the chart, and you got to listen to that boring old cocky bastard for hours to get your head around it. Whereas, like, give me 3 hours of your time, and I could make you profitable, like, heavily. Do you trade live, do you, bruv, or funded, or what? How's it work? And obviously, best of luck, more life, more successes. I want you to win. I want you to win and then come back to me and be like, you are a fat, shaven-headed prick. This is how you trade and it wins. And yeah, I'll happily admit it. Not one of these, I am ego-driven, but I know when I'm wrong. I do think it might be time to go home, though. Blew your phase 2 to... Oh, that's annoying, man. AE times Hunter. I am AE Hunter. What firm you trading with? I almost blew my 50k fivers, but that's literally just for content. I just trade live me normally. I like the fast payouts. If you want an instant withdrawal broker, sign up for Fusion and I get paid off your trading. Absolute peanuts, but more people I get. And it's actually a belter broker, mega spreads, fast payouts. Not Israeli. Why are you sending me really aggressive messages? Live is with IC Markets. Oh, brother. So VT Markets is even better than Vantage. There's a link to that. There's a link to that in the chat, man. They're better. Vantage are poo. I know they're linked, but VT Markets are still better. And I've got guarantees that people who sign up on my link would not experience issues that some people do experience. Also, Fusion Markets, literally instant after your first, if you deposit and withdraw in crypto and what am I trying to say here? No, you're not being aggressive. Liverpool logos, I'm not calling you aggressive. Trader backtest in the chat here is sending me WhatsApps with swear words and aggressive racial tones in his messages towards me. I'm not shouting at you, bruv. Yeah, there's no hate. You're not being aggressive. I'll be aggressive towards you more likely. But yeah, I'm giving another person in the chat shit. Still doing nothing. Oh, it's dropping again. I think you're right, G. I think it's going to take this low. But yeah, no, I'm not shouting at you. You can be as aggressive as you want. He's sending me, look at him saying false in the chat now, saying I'm lying about him. Proves it's true. Do you want me to turn this chat round and expose everyone what you said? I'll make myself bigger and do it if you want, bruv. Nah, I'm joking. I don't want to get myself banned. But yeah, there's no beef in any. But yeah, Alpha are pretty better. Vantage, meh. VT Markets, again, sign up with my link, people. That's the one that I like you to do. And then Fusion, if you really want instant withdrawals, like a few minutes. Deposit in USDT. First one takes 24 hours. All of them after that, like seconds sometimes. Insane. And I've done 5 figures and it's taken less than a minute, and it's pretty erotic. But if you sign up to VT Markets using my link, yeah, I'll let you join my Signals channel for free. Oh shit, I was supposed to get everything ready to open that for tomorrow. Looks like I'm going to be having a late night. Right, so to-do list. I haven't got all the bots ready, but that's fine. I can just do it myself manually to start with, because I'll have like fucking 5 people join probably. But they got to sign up, send me that. Oh, fucking hell. Could just go sleep, what do you reckon? Sleep or work and build a future, and then move away. Should you hold? What price are you in at again? 54. I'll be honest, mate, it's worth the gamble because the upside potential is very high. If you're alright with... Yeah, go sleep, man. I'll catch you in the morning. Message me, innit, and I'll we'll sort something in the morning, Elliot. Fucking big week for you this week. You need your beauty sleep. Good chill out. And then I would still hold it if the risk you've got on is acceptable and you've not, because the upside potential is big. But this little change of structure here, where if it closes below these, it is possibly going to come down. So you could just, and that is break even. So you could just take a small loss if it closes below. But that could just be a little fake. That's me trying to understand the 1 minute, but the only reason I'm saying that is because of this. Because usually if it goes off the 78, it goes up to the 23. If it goes off the 88, it goes up to the 38. So I wouldn't be surprised if price came up to this 65 level. Fair dues if you're going short, but yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if price comes up to this 65 level. It may sweep this low again first, but yeah, sorry, not 65, 62. Fucking hell, man, you change your mind and change your trades quite often. I did say if it closes below that point, it hasn't, and now it's going up. Also, right, I've always thought this, and I always do it myself. Why do you, if you're in a buy and you're like, oh, I want a short, why do you close the buy? Because you just guarantee yourself a loss if it goes up. Whereas, if you just keep the buy open and you're short, you know what I mean? Well, I keep some of it to cover, but I hope it drops for you. Sorry, bro. Who is the soup? Come on, drop. Jesus Christ, look at her. Sorry, I'm just pairing. You know how we do. Right, we've got 5 min. I'll do another 40 min. So 80 minutes then for market open. That's pretty good. 0 trades. 0 real trades. 5 losses. Yeah, I can see why you would feel the short. It makes sense. But I don't fancy the short because there is no breaker structure yet. So this could be a sweet level. It's going to go from one of these two if it does go down. That I can promise you. Like, honestly, I'm 100% sure. It's going to be one of those two levels. That now makes me think it's going to be the second one more. Best ever, Rue. Who is this signal bot? Get away with your Jewish behaviour. Mod work done. Paul Weller, the mod father. Yeah, I think this 59.90 level. So there we go. Analysis done. Let's wait for tomorrow probably for that. Appreciate everyone for joining. Got a few joiners. Apologise the analysis wasn't as in depth or as interesting tonight, and I've not dropped many bombs, but my head hurts. Pretty tired, pretty hungry. He'll get better. I'll stop making female excuses. But we've made some dough. Trades are running. See if we can make a quick 10k. It's a slow mover though. How many pips are we up now? Sure. 47.09. We're up $10 move. 110 pips. 4k. TP was going to be 5k. Did we just close out and go to bed? That's because you just, like, unfortunately, man, because you're getting in and out on the 1 minute and you're acting quite emotionally on the market moves and on that, like, very instant 1 minute price action, you're going to get sucked in and you're going to feel like you're doing things that are wrong quite a bit. So I would love it to go down for you. I want it to. But, like, you need to start, like, reading price action properly. So, like, this is, for me, that all this price action now is still bullish until we break this, till we break and close below this low. All this price action is still bullish. We're not breaking the uptrend. Price, obviously, we had this high here. This was a nice level. Price broke and closed above, come back down. Reacted from a level within the consolidation and pushed off. Did it again. Another high. Broke and closed above. It ended up pushing up a bit further this time, coming back down, touching a level, fucking off. So it still created a lower low. Sorry, a higher low. It's created a higher high again. This could have been a higher low. Higher low, lower low. Lower high, sorry, and then an even lower low. But it doesn't really confirm it for me until we break this level. But it's quite a high chance now that this is. So obviously we were trending up. And now it's started to possibly make a downtrend. If we break this level, this is where I'd start looking for shorts, and it could start doing something like this. But macroeconomically, it should probably go up, man. So it's an interesting one with this. He's added more. Come on, son. Really big balls here. I closed mine when you started talking about selling, and I started talking about going to bed. It still makes me want to buy, man. I want to counter trade you. I win or you win. But I can move the market, so just remember that. Crazy that 1 minute 78 works so well. I still see price go up today, you see. Or is it going to come to the 88? But at least we know this fib is actually reacting. So it wouldn't be ridiculous to take this 40 level again. It would be silly, but it wouldn't be like kissing a man. Do you know what I mean? Wouldn't be that silly. Come on, son, he's up in prof. Is right. Live in solidarity with the boy. I still want to buy though. I feel like you're getting sucked into these cells here. It's just gonna. That's not what I'm gonna do though. Alhamdulillah, brother. I said astaghfirullah. Alhamdulillah. I only know that from an A-Star song. I'm not a Muslim. I'm a Scouse rapper. How's my long? I closed it when I said I might close and go to bed. Closed it in 130 pips prof, yeah. 100 pips prof. 110, sorry. Yeah, man. 4,000 Great British pounds in the bag. However, I did almost fail my £207 50k challenge. And content is more important. It's like you're mad. Shit looks like it holds about 40. But I ain't trying to go to court, G. Four to 1, I think it was. I think I was saying 5 losses, but it was just 5%, 4 losses. Obviously moved the stop a bit wide because I didn't want to do 1% on the last two. I just did like a 0.7 something because I knew I'd get slippage and they'd try bum me. Max is short again. Good man, he's killing it. Should just be in the group listening to his analysis. I'm not in anything now. Interesting. Why is he short for? Max is short again. Where are you getting this information from? Or are you saying Max short again? I don't really understand what's going on here. Is it just going to sweep this low? Or is it going to sweep the bottom? Because that is an important question. Max short. Why do you need to say max then? Why don't you say what? Why would that word even fit in a sentence? I've never heard you say that in trading related terms ever. Take profit hit, good man. Yeah, but it's just max short, max lev. Like what? That's just not your turn of phrase. Where are you pulling this shit from? You'd say full port, fucking balls deep. Like what? Max short. It's just not Pedro Podro terminology. Do you know what I mean? Now, who's this imposter? Nice one for hitting take profit, brother. I hope you've made a nice bit of money. I hope you're nice and rich now. You can bless the fam. Was that a live profit? Was it funded account profit? Let me know. I'm intrigued. Do you think it's going to come back up now, or? But then just type short in all capitals. Sorry if I'm just making you crash out over dumb shit. I know you hate that sort of thing. We're on your laptop for you, busy, grinding. Working hard or hardly working. On live, good man. If you're trading with Vantage, I genuinely would move to Fusion or VT. And even if you don't use my links in the bottom, I'm not just trying to push you down so I can make dough. I would take a look at those two. If you wanted to use my link, that'd be cool, but I'm still just thinking about you, man. Especially Fusion. Took long wear, man. What price? So I copy you. You've done quite well so far. The price does seem to move against you a little bit to start with. $49.89. Should I blind enter now? Just because you said you would. I've done it. I'm going to go low risk. 16. Stop loss to break even. It's at 1 to 1. Do it, man. But obviously, there's no rush. I'm not forcing you. Right, I got 13% left on the laptop anyway, so kind of tells me I'm probably done for the stream. So I appreciate you. I hope your buys run well. I hope our buys run well. I'm in 20 pips up. Stop loss at break even. Imagine we fill that gap from here. I'm at 800 quid. Sound that, innit? For a little scammy flip account. I'll be annoyed if it reversed, so 200 I'll take. We'll do it, man, and then lock back in, same time for these streams every day. From tomorrow, it'll be better. I'll have done some trades, I'll have more to talk about. There'll be less people in, so I can shout my head off and crash out. But I appreciate every single one of you for watching. If you want to learn more, all the links to shit are in the description. Have a fantastic evening. Safe trading if you're getting up through and staying up through Asia. That was to G for sending me rude texts.